All right, let's get right into it. What you're about to see is the complete blueprint, literally everything you need to land your first high-value AI client. We're talking $2,000 or more in just 2 weeks. This isn't just theory, okay? This is the entire game plan laid out for you.
So first things first, we gotta ask the big question. Why are almost all businesses absolutely terrified of AI? I mean, they see it as this complex, job-stealing tidal wave coming right for them. And honestly, they have no idea what to do about it.
And right there, that fear, that total uncertainty, that is your single biggest opportunity. Seriously, because where everyone else sees a threat, you're about to show up with the solution.
Okay, so let's dive into the full map of how we're going to make this happen. First, we'll tap into that AI fear and turn it to our advantage. Then we're going to craft an offer that's just too good to refuse. After that, we build the engine to get that offer out there. We'll nail the outreach that actually gets replies. And finally, we tie it all together in a simple, step-by-step 14-day plan. First up, the AI fear opportunity. Look, to most businesses, AI is just this giant, confusing, and super risky black box. Your job isn't to be some kind of AI wizard. Nope, your job is to become the safe bridge that gets them from where they are now, in pain, to a real, tangible result.
And this is so crucial to understand. Just look at the contrast here. On the left, that's what's in their head. AI is overwhelming, it's a threat, it's a money pit. But on the right, that's you. You make it simple. You show them it's a tool for growth, and you present it as a clear, super low-risk investment. See the difference? You're not selling AI. You're selling certainty and results.
Which brings us right to Section 2, crafting your Grand Slam offer. This is the absolute heart of the entire strategy. We're talking about a foot-in-the-door offer that is so powerful, so completely de-risked, that it becomes almost impossible for a prospect to say no.
And this is the gold standard, right? It's from Alex Hormozi's masterpiece, $100 million offers. The whole goal here is to design an offer that makes saying yes feel like the only smart, logical move, and saying no feels like a huge business mistake.
Watch the screen closely here. WealthMinds Lab members take notes on this specific script. This is the entire formula to getting paid. So Hormozi's value equation is brilliant. To make an offer irresistible, you do 2 things. You crank up the top 2 variables. That's the dream outcome and their belief they'll achieve it. And at the same time, you crush the bottom 2, the time it takes and the effort and sacrifice they have to put in.
And this right here just illustrates it perfectly. I mean, look at the difference. A bad offer is vague, it's super expensive, and it puts all the risk on the client. Our Grand Slam offer, it's laser specific, the price is an easy yes, and, this is key, you take on all the risk with a killer guarantee. This is exactly how you make someone feel stupid saying no.
Okay, so who are we making this amazing offer to? You go find what Hormozi calls a starving crowd. Think about blue-collar services like plumbers, electricians, HVAC companies. Or think about real estate agencies. Why them? It's simple. They have a massive and expensive problem getting new leads. They have the money to fix it, and they're super easy to find and target.
So you've got the perfect offer. But you know what? It's totally useless if it lands in the spam folder. So now we have to build your outreach engine. This is your high-precision delivery system. And let me be clear, this tech setup is absolutely non-negotiable.
The first piece of the puzzle is something called SPF. Just think of it like a digital passport for your email. It's basically a little record that proves to all the email servers out there that you are who you say you are. It's step 1 to staying out of that spam filter.
Next up, you need DKIM. Now, if SPF is your passport, think of DKIM as the tamper-proof seal on your luggage. It's a digital signature that guarantees your email hasn't been messed with on its way to the inbox. Yeah, email providers love to see this.
And the final piece is DMARC. This is like the security guard for your domain, the one who enforces all the rules. It tells other servers exactly what to do if an email fails those SPF or DKIM checks. And by the way, as of 2024, Google and Yahoo pretty much demand you have this. It's mandatory.
So here's the routine. And listen, skipping these steps is the single biggest mistake people make. You have to use a separate domain just for outreach, you have to warm it up for a couple of weeks, and you have to keep your sending volume low, like 30 emails per inbox per day. This is the shortcut to actually landing in the inbox.
Okay, awesome. The tech is set up. You've got an offer they can't refuse and a delivery system that actually works. Now for Section 4, the creative hook that gets a reply. This is the personalized first strike. We call it the Loom strategy. Let's be real. Generic templates are completely dead. We all know it. The data is crystal clear.
Personalization is the secret weapon. Prospects are drowning in automated junk, so the only messages that get through are the ones that feel like they were made just for them.
And on top of that, the data tells us that the sweet spot for an email is between 50 and 125 words. It's got to be short, sharp, and respect their time. But that begs the question, right? How in the world do you demonstrate massive value in so few words?
Here's the secret. You don't tell them, you show them. Instead of writing a novel about how great you are, you're going to give them a little taste of the solution right up front. This builds instant trust and shows you know what you're talking about.
And here's exactly how you do it. It's so simple. Use a tool like Loom to record your screen for just 1 minute. You go to their website, you find one glaringly obvious problem, like maybe they have no contact form or they take forever to respond. You then quickly show how an AI chatbot solves that exact problem. You end the video by mentioning your irresistible offer, drop the video link into a super short email, and hit send. That's it.
Now, let's bring this all home. You have the offer, you have the tech, you have the outreach strategy. This is your actionable 14-day blueprint to go from zero to landing that $2,000 plus retainer client.
Here it is, day by day. Days 1 through 3, that's all about getting that non-negotiable tech setup done. Days 4 to 7 are for prep, warming up those inboxes, building your hit list. Then, days 8 through 12, it's go time. You're recording and sending out 10 to 20 of those personalized videos every single day. And that leaves days 13 and 14 for the best part. Following up, booking meetings, and closing your very first client. This system flat out works.
So there you have it. You now have the entire system. An irresistible offer that flips all the risk, the technical setup to make sure you actually get seen, and a personalized video strategy that builds instant trust. The only question left is, who's going to be the first client you help cross that safe bridge?